Hey there, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Have you ever felt that urge, that burning desire to shake someone awake, to tear down their walls of their convictions and reveal what you believe to be the truth? We've all been there, driven by a righteous fever, convinced that our perspective is the only one that matters. But what if I told you that this demolition strategy is precisely why so many remain asleep? So tonight we delve into a mystery, a paradox of human connection, the art of awakening others, not through the force of our arguments, but through the quiet power of our own truth. Think about it. Have you ever been truly convinced by someone who aggressively attacked your core beliefs? More likely, you retreated, dug in your heels, and fortified your defenses. Why? Because attack breeds defensiveness. Judgment creates a chasm. The world is a kaleidoscope of perspectives, each one shaped by unique experiences, traumas, and triumphs. To invalidate someone's path is to invalidate their journey, their very being. Respect is the key. It's honoring someone else's road without demanding it mirror your own. It's acknowledging their humanity even when their beliefs seem alien to yours. Now, consider the story of the lighthouse. Does it shout at the ships, berating them for their chosen course? Does it try to force them onto its own illuminated path? No. It simply stands tall, unwavering, its light a beacon of guidance for those who choose to see it. Now, our truth is our lighthouse. It does not need to scream, it simply needs to shine. But how do we shine without judging? How do we stand in our truth without inadvertently casting shadows of doubt and condemnation on others? The answer lies in empathy, trying to understand the foundation upon which their beliefs are built. What experiences have shaped their worldview? What fears are they trying to protect themselves from? Each belief system is a house carefully constructed brick by brick. To tear down that house is to leave someone exposed, vulnerable, and terrified. Instead, you can offer them a window, a glimpse into a different kind of architecture. Show them the beauty and strength of your own structure, built on a foundation of truth, compassion, and love. Don't demand they move in, simply let them see. The most powerful awakenings are not born from forceful arguments, but from silent observations, from witnessing someone living their truth with authenticity and grace. When someone feels safe, truly safe, they begin to question. They start to explore. They dare to consider that perhaps, just perhaps, there might be another way. The paradox in this, by trying to force someone to awaken, we often push them further into slumber. But by standing firm in our own truth, by radiating love and acceptance, we create a space where awakening can occur organically, naturally, and without fear. Yeah, we become a catalyst, a spark that ignites a flame within them. Think of the great teachers throughout history. Did they berate their students, condemning their ignorance? No. They guided them, challenged them, and inspired them to question. They created a safe space for exploration where doubt was welcomed and curiosity was celebrated. Now, this is not about compromising your own beliefs. It's about recognizing that everyone is on their own unique journey. It's about trusting that they will awaken in their own time, in their own way. Your role is not to be the hammer, but the light, to illuminate the path, not to break down the door. So, the next time you feel that urge to tear down someone's beliefs, pause, take a breath, remember the lighthouse, stand tall, shine bright, and let your truth be your guide. Because the greatest awakenings, they happen in silence. They happen in the spaces between judgment and understanding. They happen when someone finally feels safe enough to question everything they thought they knew. Hmm. Now, the silent spark is often the most powerful. Always remember to like and subscribe for more mysteries unraveled and truths uncovered. Yeah, and I'll see you on the next video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comments down below. Peace out.